Welcome folks, it's me again, and I would like to introduce to you my brand new persona, the Cafcass. Yes, the Cafcass McKenzie friend. Let me explain. I have recently had the unfortunate experience of coming across a number of pretty terrible so-called family court information videos which have quite frankly not only led me to age unnecessarily out of boredom, but in some cases I even found the content to be a little dubious. So I thought that it's time to really help you folk out by doing it myself. So, running alongside my somewhat controversial family court campaign vlogs, which I am sure you are all watching at VOLGS.co.uk, I will be running quick fire, kick-ass McKenzie friend free seminars covering child arrangements, financial orders, non-molestation orders and all other matters falling under the banner of the family court. However, if you wish to fully inform and educate yourself about the family court process right now, then please take a look at my online family court and McKenzie friend training modules at familycourttraining.co.uk. You can even request a free pass. How brilliant is that? I am Philip Kedge, a retired police chief inspector, director of the McKenzie Friend UK network, founder of the national campaign of #LikeNotHate and fearless family court vlogger. If you are looking for a McKenzie friend to support you through court, then please contact me right now at contactphil.co.uk. If you are watching this on YouTube and need a reminder of any or all of the links in this vlog, then just go to the text area below. I can't wait to kick ass with my free online seminars, and all you have to do is to like, share, subscribe and hit that notification bell. So, I'm off now to record the first one. See you again very soon.